Hola clase, bienvenidos a la lección de formación de preguntas. This is formación de preguntas normales. This is the formation of regular questions. So questions that don't require a sí or no answer. So not just switching the verbs around, but now actually asking who, what, when, where, why, how, etc. Muy bien. So this is the lyrics to a song that's going to be found right underneath this video. Once again, I think you should download this song and listen to it, memorize it, learn it. It is very important and it will help you a lot. It's going to help you memorize the different question words, which are very, very, very important. They will definitely be on the quiz, and they will be used extensively in this class from here on out. I will never say another question word in English for you guys, so you guys need to know this. This first paragraph of the song, to make a statement, say the subject, then the verb. Then to make a question, say them in reverse. That's what we just learned in the last segment on yes or no questions, right? Always flip a question mark where the question begins. So an upside down question mark at the very beginning, and then a right side up one always goes where it ends. So that's just kind of rules for basic questions. And now you have your song for question words, right? So por qué asks why, cuando asks when, donde asks where, to find out who asks quién. ¿Qué is what, which is cuál, how is cómo. Put an accent on them all. If you don't have accents on your question words, they will be considered incorrect. So make sure that you learn where your accents go on your question words, and buena suerte. So you're going to do the exact same thing you would do in English with these, and pretty much this is just a basic, this is en la página 52, 53 y 54, you can do exercises with these. But for the most part, donde, qué, cómo, quién, cuándo, cuánto, and por qué are the most important. You need to know what these mean as of now. Alright? The best way to learn them is from that song that I just mentioned to you. So make sure that you listen to it underneath this video. The couple that I want to bring some special attention to is cuánto. Cuánto is the only one that changes singular, masculine, feminine, singular, and plural, depending on what you're talking about. So if I want to say cuántas mujeres, because I'm saying how many female women, cuántas mujeres y cuántos hombres hay en la clase. So hombres, this one's modifying hombres, so it's masculine plural. This one's modifying mujeres, so it's feminine plural. So that's what the O/A with the S means. It means it could be masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. And then also look at por qué. Por qué, I know that you know means because as well. So note la diferencia between por qué with a space and an accent mark, which means why, or literally for what. For what reason? So think for and then what. For what? Why? And then por qué, which is one word, because. So they go together. Why and because definitely go together, so they're very similar. But the question word is the one with the accent. Alright. Muy bien. That concludes this section. Do the práctica en las páginas 52 a 54 for more practice. Otherwise, just go to my Spanish lab and do the exercises there. Hasta pronto, clase. Adiós. Oh, sorry. One more thing is that en la página 52 is your lista de palabras interogativas, meaning interrogative words, and cuáles and quiénes also can be plural if you're talking about more than one person or more than one thing. And so if you're not understanding why it says cuáles or quiénes, that's why. And if you have any more questions about that, go ahead and shoot me an email. Hasta pronto. Adiós.